I have here this short sleeve button-up lace patchwork crop tee. This gives effortless, soft, feminine vibes. It is a soft pontel knit, so beautiful, and lace trim scoop, and a 2-button, 3-button Henley that flatters without trying. So it is a slim fit, breathable. The fabric is very lightweight, soft, and stretchy. My daughter appreciates the delicate lace trim at the neckline and the functional buttons. How to wear it? So what I did, since she's kind of between sizes, I did size up a little bit. I love that it has the stretch and it's lightweight. We love the yellow. And she did pair this with a skin tone bra. Styling, my daughter does high-rise jeans, minis, cargos, or even like a little slip jean skirt. She also will layer this under a cardigan or a bomber. What I like about this, the pretty lace, the soft, stretchy knit, the pot-tail fabric print, and it is soft and stretchy. Wear it anywhere. If you want a feminine Henley that is so easy to style and comfy, this one delivers.